Hello and welcome to this channel. Since quite some time, there's been a lot of requests from your side for a home remedy for managing the problems of hair fall, hair damage, and dermatitis. Apart from the major underlying causes, sometimes these problems can also be due to nutritional deficiencies. And one such vitamin deficiency which we commonly come across is vitamin B7, commonly known as the biotin. So, here's one such drink which is my favorite for adding biotin into your diet. This drink will, of course, boost the quality of your hair, skin, and overall health. Learn how to make it and then have it according to the dosage prescribed. Now, for making this drink, here's a prep you need to do. Into a bowl, take roasted peanuts, walnuts, and melon seeds. Add water just enough to soak them. Either soak them for 15 to 30 minutes or you may also keep it overnight. Then, just before making the drink, clean and peel an apple and slice it to smaller pieces. Now, biotin, as we know, is a water soluble vitamin and we can easily derive it from both plant and animal sources. Study says that our body's requirement of biotin can actually be derived from our diet in good quantities. And if correctly obtained, then deficiencies won't come on your way. Then additional supplements are not, of course, required. And here the soaked ingredients are ready to use. Drain this water away and add them to a blender jar. Again, add the cut fruit. Next, I'm adding almond milk, which is also a good source of biotin. Then a splash of condensed milk for sweetness, but you can skip it as well. And few ice cubes, which are actually optional. That's it, then simply blend them smooth. For more details on the ingredients used with their measurements are available in our website and there's a link for you in the description below. Do check them out and get to know more about biotin and the deficiencies associated with it. Though nowadays we rely a lot on nutritional supplements, but have you ever thought of the side effects that can arise if these supplements are taken in for a long duration and without a proper prescription? So, instead of the supplements, why not take biotin directly from the nature? And here's a homemade and healthy biotin drink ready. This drink is quite filling. I prefer to have this drink along with a healthy breakfast or simply during the tea time by skipping your usual tea or coffee. I recommend having it weekly 3 times for good results. And then after the 3 months, give a break. Parallelly, it's also good to check and confirm your serum biotin levels. This drink will definitely boost the health of your hair, skin, and nails, and of course, the overall health. Again, if you want me to make any similar home remedies for any conditions, do let me know in the comments below. I will definitely try to help you out. I hope this will be of some help to you, and I'm looking forward to hear from you very soon. Thank you for being with us, and see you soon in the next video.